Today we are going to explore this amazing tool by Microsoft, which is basically a very good asset and a free tool which can help you to design awesome user experiences, and it will help you to track the behavior of your user, interactions of your users with your products or website. So I'll search Microsoft Clarity. I'll put the link in the description as well. So open the clarity.microsoft.com. Well, I have already created my account, so it have directly taken me to the projects page, but when you come to this website first time, you have to create your account. You can easily create your account using your email ID and password. So yes, just create the account and get started with it. I already created a project. I'll show you creating one more project, and I'll show you how to add the code which Microsoft Clarity gives in our website, and how we can basically see the recordings and all those things with the Clarity. So let me quickly create a new project. I'll definitely show you what I have in this project as well, but first let's create a new project. I'll give it a name Daily UX, and the domain is www.30daysofux.com. Basically, this is another website where we'd be having daily UI UX design challenges, which will take you from the beginner to the advanced level if you follow it every day. So I'll quickly add a new project. It asks you whether it is a website or a mobile app. So I'm going ahead with a website because I don't have a mobile app for now. So yeah, let's create add new project. Yep, that's it. Your project has been created. Now you need to basically install the code which Clarity generates, which basically helps it to track the users on your website. It is something similar to the ads, Google Analytics or any other analytics tools, but it has screen recording, so which helps us to understand how users are moving on your screen. We can generate heat maps, and we can see whether the design is behaving as we are assuming or intended, or if has any deviations from what we are planning, or what being a UX designer, what we have planned and what actually users are doing on the website. So if you are using any WordPress or Wix or any other third-party platforms, you can go ahead with this, where you can select your platform, but I'm going to do it a manual installation because I have developed website from scratch manually. So now let's go to the get tracking code. Okay, it will give you a simple JavaScript snippet which you have to copy. You can simply copy it to clipboard using this button. So you just simply have to copy this and go to the your index.html or all the pages where you want to add this code in your website. So make sure you are doing it in the head tag, not in the body or any other tags. So be sure you are in the head tag, and probably you can just write add it right after the analytics tag if you have added on, or basically just below the style sheets which you have imported, or you can add it wherever you want. Let's say once you have initiated the HTML document, you have opened the head tag, then you can simply put this code. So I'll just put it below the Bootstrap CSS. You can put it anywhere in the head tag, that doesn't matter. So I'll just save this, and it doesn't actually start showing data immediately. It takes almost 2 hours to get started with the data, but what I'll do, I'll show you the other project which I have created earlier. So I'll go to the other project, which is shutter counter, which basically takes the input image from the DSLR camera, and basically user has to upload an image, and then they can check the shutter count of the image. So you can see this has been published recently, very recently, almost 5 to 6 days, and you can see already people have started coming on the website. So basically it gives you all the details which you need to take your design decisions, where you can see the scroll depth, you can see the page per sessions, you can see what is the active time spent. So it seems very less. When I say 3 seconds, it is basically users are dropping off as soon as they land to the website. So I need to make sure that something engaging is there. So basically it helps us to determine the decisions whether our website is performing good or not. You can go to the recording tab, where basically you can see all the recordings, and you can just play these recordings, and you can see if you see this, I'll just pause it. If you see this, how users moved his cursor on the website, it basically gives you everything related to the if they have scrolled it, if there's any specific area, if there are clicks, you can basically see all these details, and you can see all the recordings on this left hand side. You can see all the recordings for the specific day. So I guess there are no recordings for today. I guess there are a couple. Yes, you can see for different time frames, last 30 days. So you can see all the recordings for last 30 days, and you can track the behavior of the user, how they are interacting with your website. So you can see heat maps as well, where it generates the heat map. You can see the heat map where how users are interacting, where they are clicking more, and you can determine few settings as well. You can connect this with the Google Analytics as well. You can integrate both the tools together, or you can just use the clarity itself. You can basically, the good feature which I feel of the clarity is basically it masks all the sensitive data. So you can go ahead with very strict mode, where you can simply hide each and every text on the website. Then you can go ahead with the sensitive text, basically balanced mode, where the generic text is not hidden, but if there are any numbers or any specific information which should not be visible in the for example credit card details, or for example bank account details, or any transactions or anything. So anything related to numbers or any bank details or anything, it basically mask that out. And relaxed is basically nothing is masked. If your website is very plain and simple, it doesn't include anything, any account related information or anything, in that case you can go ahead with the relaxed. But I generally feel to go ahead with balanced, or if you are really working on a website which is very sensitive with the data, you can simply go ahead with the strict mode. It basically just gives you the outer layout, or the high level information, or how users are behaving on your website, but it blocks out entire text from your recordings. Okay, so I hope you would start using this. There are a lot of features which you can see. You can export the reports out of it. You can go ahead with the clarity tool, where basically it gives you instructions with what are the things which you can do, how to select the specific metrics and all those things. So yeah, that's it. Keep using such tools and keep designing amazing experience. So yeah, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.